Chicken Marsala, it's a popular Italian dish that everyone loves, made with tender fried chicken breasts in earthy mushroom Marsala wine sauce. Simple, quick, and delicious. The essential ingredients for the Marsala sauce is mushroom. I use 16 ounces of sliced cremini mushrooms, known also as baby bella. They are packed with earthy nutty flavor that complement the Marsala wine. For the sauce, I chop 2 batches of scallion, also known as green onion, about 10 to 12 pieces. Green part removed. Marsala sauce called for onion or shallot, but after testing numerous times, I found out that the scallion have a milder onion flavor that gives the sauce a fantastic delicate flavor, way better than shallot. But this is my personal preference. You can use shallot instead. For garnishing the sauce, finely chop some parsley. Use the leaves only to get a fresh and bright finish. Now we need to prepare the chicken. I used 3 chicken breasts, about 1.5 pounds, that I cut to half to get a thinner slices. By pressing it down with my hands against the cutting board, my fingers are upwards for safety, and I cut it horizontally all the way through. Now if you have any veins or tendons, just remove them. For even cooking, we need to pound the chicken breast just to get an even thickness. I recommend to place the shiny part facing down. That will prevent the chicken from falling apart during pounding. Cover with saran wrap to prevent any splashing, and pound them gently all over just to get an even thickness for even cooking. Season the chicken cutlets with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper on both sides. Place about 1 cup of flour in a shallow dish and season it with salt and pepper and mix it well. Now dredge the chicken in the flour mixture and shake any excess of flour and set aside on a baking dish. The flour will give the chicken a golden browning and keep the chicken tender inside. On a medium-high heat, place a large skillet and melt 2 tablespoons of butter and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I use a mixture of both because the butter will give the chicken a great flavor and will keep it tender, but it will smoke and burn almost immediately. The oil have higher smoke point and will prevent the butter from burning. Add the chicken in batches and fry it about 2 to 3 minutes per side till it's golden. Remove and set aside. Continue frying the rest of the chicken. After finishing frying the chicken, we're left with some brown bits in the bottom of the skillet. It's called fond, which is the foundation for a great flavor sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of oil, only if needed, and add the scallion. Sauté till it's translucent, it's about a minute, and scrape the bottom in between. Now add the mushroom and mix. The mushroom will release some liquid before browning. To expedite this process, I add some salt to extract the liquid from the mushroom. I also season with crushed black pepper and mix and scrape the bottom. to release all the great flavor. When most of the liquid evaporated and the mushroom gently caramelized, I make a roux by adding 1 teaspoon of flour to get a thicker sauce and to absorb any remaining liquid from the mushrooms. Lower the heat before adding half a cup of dry Marsala wine. Marsala contains high percent of alcohol and it might ignite, so be careful. Cook out the alcohol almost completely. Then add 1.5 cups of chicken stock and bring it to a boil. Cook the sauce uncovered for a couple of minutes, then add the chicken and lower the heat. I like to finish the sauce by adding 2 tablespoons of butter to get a smooth, velvety and shiny sauce. Garnish with fresh chopped parsley and drizzle this amazing sauce all over the chicken. Cook for a couple of minutes, just till all the flavor comes together. Don't overcook the chicken. I am telling you, my house smells so amazing, like an Italian restaurant. The aroma of the Marsala wine is absolutely fantastic. But the best part is eating this delicious dish. No wonder why Chicken Marsala is so popular. You can serve it with pasta, rice, or mashed potato, or whatever you like. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. See you at my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.